Hi friends, I am N. Kavin Kumar of Green Ajib Tuition Center. In this video, we are going to see percentage trick. First, we are going to see the numbers 30% of the number 90. In normal method, we all do 30 divided by 100 into 90. And we cancel those zeros and multiply both numbers and we write the answer 27. And this is a normal method we all do, but I shall tell you one simple trick. 30% of 90, we can cancel those zeros and multiply both numbers and write the answer as 27.